When your site is clear from debris, peg the footprint down against any prevailing wind. Lay out the tent inner and secure it with the same pegs used to secure the ground sheet. Assemble the alloy frame, making sure the pole sections are fully engaged in the hub. Insert the frame tips into the corner grommets. Clip the tent inner to the frame. Assemble the short ridge pole. Attach the ceiling of the tent inner to the end of the short ridge pole with the ball clips. The ridge pole will rest across or beside the centre clip on the main frame. Lay the rainfly over the tent frame. Attach the centre of the rainfly to the ridge pole. Now connect the rainfly to the tent inner with the clips at the base. Peg out the vestibules until they are taut. When you are ready, fold back the door of your vestibule, securing it with the toggles. Peg out the corner storm ropes. Adjust the ropes for greater stability in the wind. Happy camping!